Hello, we will be presenting you our application for the innovation category called SmartBin. In short, SmartBin is a futuristic approach towards garbage monitoring and collection. Before starting, let me introduce you to my team Wizards at Work. My name is Rahul Agarwal. I am currently a Microsoft student partner. Last year I participated in Imagine Cup and reached national finals. This year I'm back with a dynamic team and a bigger and better idea. My friend Kanika will be taking you through from now.
Problem status side. Stinking overflowing dustbins are very common in India and make for a very unhygienic community. The reason behind this is not lack of people or time invested. In fact, statistics suggest that some municipal corporations spend as much as 12 billion rupees per annum to collect garbage. The problem is that the rate at which dustbins fill up is different in different areas. Some dustbins take only one day to fill up and start overflowing by the second day, whereas some others are not even half full by then. Sending thousands of trucks and sweepers to thousands of dustbins all over the city based on time crevices without knowing the state of the dustbin is both expensive and inefficient, since financial feasibility allows only once or twice a week check. This causes overflow. Also, as you can see, in case of dustbins getting neglected, it goes unnoticed. The solution? Smart bins. It is a technology that integrates wireless sensor networks and Internet of Things. Smart bins are dustbins in an area which are all equipped with a sensor that senses the level of garbage in that bin and relays the information to the cloud from where users can access it. With the SmartBin app, garbage level of all the dustbins in an area can be monitored in one glance from any place at any time. This allows for a collection process based on garbage levels instead of time crevices. The app also provides a map that marks all smart bins in an area and provides the shortest path to a smart bin. Further, the app can also be downloaded by denizens to know which are the nearest empty usable dustbins and the shortest path to them. Garbage collection, hence, is based on garbage level, not time crevices. Neglect is noticed immediately as the level does not go to zero if a garbage can is neglected. It saves a lot of fuel, manpower, time, and energy. There will be no more overflowing dustbins. Denizens can track empty bins, and that saves their time and effort. It all leads to a healthier, more hygienic, and happier community. How it works? This is the architecture as explained by Akshay.
So what we are seeing on the board is the architecture diagram of our entire system. This is a network of dustbin that has been deployed, and this deployment can be a citywide deployment or a deployment at the university level or an institutional level. So each dustbin is fitted with a smart IoT device, SmartBin IoT device that we have made, and that device consists of iris mode, ultrasonic sensor and infrared sensor. And that device uses a Zigbee module to transmit that data to a Raspberry Pi. And we are using a Raspberry Pi as a central server, or you can say a sink. So that Raspberry Pi is connected to a local database and it runs the Windows 10 IoT code that Microsoft has specially made for embedded devices. And the Raspberry Pi is further connected with a local Wi-Fi network and relays that data to the cloud platform. And we are using Microsoft Azure as our cloud platform. And what happens in the cloud is that the data about the fill level of the dustbin is stored in the SQL database, and it is connected to a service in which data analysis and visualization is taking place. So this is the whole block level diagram of what is being happening in the cloud. And from the cloud, using the AMQP protocol, that is the Advanced Message Query Protocol, we are transmitting the data about the fill level of the dustbin along with the notification if the dustbin gets filled, a warning notification to the SmartBin app that can be used by the user as well as the admin on their mobile phone or desktop computers.
Rahul is going to give a short demo of how the app works.
Now I will show you a quick demo of our application. The very first page which one encounters on installing the SmartBin app is the login page. As you can see, we have two options, the admin mode and the client mode. In the admin mode, the person who actually purchases the SmartBin device gets a device ID and a password with which he can log into the app. And the client mode is where anyone can just provide the area code and log into the app to see all the dustbins that have been installed in his local area. Now I log in as an admin with my ID and password. I'm navigated to the home page of the app where you can see Bing Maps API has been integrated into the app. I can enter a device ID, say SmartBin_1, and I see a pointer to the location where the SmartBin has been installed with the value of the garbage level beside it. This particular dustbin is pointing to the pointing inside my hostel's room where this bin has been installed. I add one more device, say SmartBin_2. Sorry for mistyping, SmartBin_2. This particular bin is located in the academics block in our university. We also have a history of all the complaints or messages that have been filed by the local residents in the locality. And in the monitor page, we have different gauge and real-time data of the garbage level in various dustbins. So if I insert garbage into SmartBin 1, you will see the level of the gauge rising. My friend will help me in this. As you can see, as he is inserting the garbage in bin 1, the level is rising. And as the level increases by 90 and above, we'll get a notification. Not only this, as we move to the home page, we can get a local path, or we can actually track the dustbin that has been filled up by clicking on the show path button. This is very useful for the staff who actually collects the dustbin and cleans it up. In the settings page, the default threshold level has been set to 90%, but we can change it as we want. And finally, an about page for a small instruction and about the application, the SmartBin. As you can see, it's a universal Windows 10 app which can run on any Windows device, be it PC, phone or tablet. This app and the entire system of SmartBin is in alpha phase, as it's been installed in our university, and we wish to take it further.
Applications. This device is very scalable, which means it can be deployed in a building, a community, or can even be extended to cover an entire city. It can be used in universities, hospitals, streets, residential complexes, offices, stations, etc., both public and private. Our customers would be managing authorities of a particular area, but the beneficiary will be all people that access or belong to that area. It is a small step in technology, but a giant leap towards a Swachh Bharat. Thank you.